Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying out this Thermoworks Billows fan kit. Stay tuned. Billows Thermoworks fan kit. What it's supposed to do, it's supposed to convert any type of regular barbecue pit like my gravity fed smoker into a pretty much an electric smoker if you really think about it. What it does is it regulates the temperature, and if the temperature is too low, it'll turn on the fan, it'll fan the flames. Temperature gets too high, it'll turn off the fan, which the fan is in there, right? You can see the little blades in there. It'll turn off the fan, it'll let the fire die down a little bit, and it controls or it regulates the temperature inside your smoker. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison. I did a dry run, I did a seasoning of my smoker in my last video, and I'll post a video here, right here, if you wanna see it. I have some times that I recorded, and I'm gonna compare it to this Billows fan kit. See if this brings up my temperature faster, and if it maintains my temperature throughout durations of the cook. A couple of things you got to know. First of all, this Thermoworks, you should only buy it off of their website, and I do have a link on the description below, and if you click on that link, you're gonna go ahead and support my channel because I'm an affiliate with them, so you can go ahead and get, not only get it, but also support my channel. But just so you know, in order for this Billows to work, you're also going to have to purchase a specific type of thermometer. The one that I bought was a Smoke X2. There is a Smoke X4 as well that you can purchase. The difference between the X2 and the X4 is that the X2 has 2 temperature leads or temperature probes to monitor. The X4 has 4, right? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison. So I'm going to connect this, and the fan's going to turn on. It's very quiet. I'm getting real close to it. It's pretty quiet. All right, so at this point I'm going to close everything up, and then I'm going to give you the base. Now the way this works is that connects to this Smoker X2. So this Smoker X2 is connected by this little Y adapter. It goes in here. I set my temperature at 225, and the temperature probe is in there to check for the temperature. All right, just to give you a baseline of how this worked. When I did it by itself, I have the numbers here, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the timer. When I first did this, after I closed this up and the smoker was just working by itself, when I first did this, it took 30 minutes to hit 115 degrees. And as you can see, it's been less than a minute, and the fan has already forced the temperature to go up to 126. So that alone tells me that it is gonna work a little bit faster. After 30 minutes, my temperature was at 115. So we've already gained about 30 minutes worth of heat by adding this fan. So that's a really good sign. And what's cool about this little X2 that it comes with one of these. You can take inside. So if you don't want to be outside, you can take this inside. And I think it says that it sends a signal every 30 seconds or something. So that's why you see a difference between 152 and 1. You see how it jumped right now? It's only been 4 minutes. It's already hitting 100 and almost 190 degrees inside. So I'm gonna take you over here to show you kind of what this thing is doing real quick. It was at full force right now, the fan, but I guess because it's getting closer to the temperature it needs to be, it's starting to regulate. I can hear it turn off, turn on, little by little, to try to keep the temperature at the right spot. I don't know if you guys can hear it. So we're at the 6-minute mark. It's already hitting 202. And again, a point of reference, if you saw my other video, or if you just want to see the comparison right here, it took almost an hour and a half, 2 hours, almost 2 hours to get to the 218 mark. And it went to about 220, 225 at about 2 hours and 30 minutes. All right, so it took, what, 9 minutes to hit my target temp of 225. And check it out. It hit 225, and the little blades stopped moving. That's awesome. Works exactly how it's meant to be. This is awesome. I really do like this. Only because when I first seasoned it the first time, I said, okay, so it takes it 2 hours to get to the temperature I need it to be, so I actually have to plan ahead of time. So this in itself is saving me a lot of time. But let's assume that you wanted to, at this point, say, you know what, I want to kick it up to 250 instead of 225. Set. The temperature is going to be blinking for my fan. It has a little fan icon. I want to go up to 250. I'm going to set. Start. I hope you can pick that up. Boom. 4 minutes and 19 seconds. That's how long it took to go from 225 to 250, and within a second or two, well, actually like around 10 seconds, the fan stopped. These products are on the link on the description below. I'm pretty happy so far. I got to say I'm very, very impressed on how fast it went up to the temperature I needed it to be. All right, this has been the Smoking Beard. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.